Okay, the last thing that's really important in the overall scheme of everything to make it all work is use the tools. Guys, we've given you the steps. If you work these steps effectively and you take them seriously and you actually knuckle down and use the steps that we've given you, you will be successful. But if you want to make the success faster, then take the steps that we've given you and incorporate the tools. Guys, we have tools. We have a manual that's designed to help you by giving you the steps step by step, giving you the detail on all of the steps that we've gone through. If you watch the videos, if you come to the live program and you're still not sure, study the manual. It's there for you. Listen to the videos, watch the videos. They're there for you. These are all the tools that we've given you to make this business work. The deal evaluation certificates. When you come to a deal that you want to put in an offer on, use those certificates, get them into us so that we can work with you and help you make this thing work. Attend the Anatomy of a Deal conference call. Use the website. Attend the webinars. As the list goes on and on and on. Listen to the DVDs, study the manual, use the CDs, all of the forms that are available there for you. Get a mentor, get somebody to work with you one-on-one if necessary to make this thing work for you. Attend the live events. These are tools that if you use these in conjunction with the steps, you will be famously successful as a commercial real estate investor. And that's the object of the exercise. Cash flow to retirement.